So you're on the phone and you're speaking to a colleague, and your colleague says, yes, you know what, we've got to get this other supply involved. I'll tell you what, I'll phone him in a short while and then I'll phone you back. You must be crazy. Why don't we get him on the phone right now and save all of us a lot of time? Okay, hold on a second. Let me show you how. So what you do, if you've got an iPhone, which I highly recommend, you dial the first person. Once the first person is answered, you then click on Add Call. And once you click on Add Call, you can dial the second number. Once the second person answers the call, all you do is click the Merge Calls button. And now you've got 2 people on the phone. My record is 5 people. I can't tell you how often I use this. The other way of making free conference calls, this is a really hard one. Go to freeconferencecalls.com. I tell you, I've been using this every Friday for the last 3 years, and it just works brilliantly. Sorry, powwow now.